Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need admin privileges. If you don't have them, get them now. Open Network Settings on Windows or System Preferences on Mac OS, then locate the active adapter. Once done, click Properties or Advanced to reach IP4 settings. This is where DNS entries live. Make sure you note any existing addresses so you can revert. You will be changing resolver addresses directly. Proceed carefully and keep a backup of the original values before making edits. Now you enter the DNS addresses. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and type the primary IP, then the secondary. Common choices are 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8. On Mac OS, add entries under DNS tab. On Windows, edit IP4 properties. Once typed, apply or OK to save and close each dialog. Make sure to disable any conflicting VPN or adapter-level DNS overrides, because they can replace your settings. Restart the adapter to ensure the new resolvers are used immediately. You should verify the change right away. Use nslookup or ping to query a domain and confirm responses come from the new DNS. Once done, flush the DNS cache so old results don't linger. On Windows, run ipconfig/flushtons. On Mac OS, use sudo killall HUPM DNS responder. If pages fail to resolve, make sure your DNS entries are correctly typed and your firewall allows DNS port 53. If issues persist, revert to the saved original DNS and try a different public resolver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.